Welcome back, guys, to this tutorial. Today I'll be discussing on quadratic equation using the formula method, which is the last method we're going to use, which is the last method in solving quadratic equation. In my previous video in completing square, I talked about how to derive the formula method, which it was x equals minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is formula. So from the question, note that yes your a, yes your b, yes your c, so that a equals 1, b equals 10, c equals 24. So if we use the formula, is x equals minus b plus minus square b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So this value, we say that x equals minus b, which is minus 10, plus minus square root. Your b square is 10 square minus 4 times your a is 1 times your c, which is 24, all over 2 times your a, which is 1. So if we solve further, you can say that your x equals minus 10 plus minus your square root. 10 square is 10 which is 100, minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 24 will give us 24 times 4 is 16, carry 1 will give us 96. 96 divided by 2. Okay, we can say that x equals minus 10 plus minus 100 minus 96 will give us 4. So it will be square root of 4 over 2. Okay, so that x equals minus 10 plus minus square root of 4 is 2 over 2. So our possible answer can be x equals minus 10 plus 2 over 2, or x equals minus 10 minus 2 over 2. Okay, let's clean the board so we can solve further by saying that for the first one, which is x equals minus 10 plus 2 over 2. Minus times plus is minus, so 10 minus 2 is 8 divided by 2. Take the sign of the bigger number, which is minus, so answer is minus 4 for the first one. Then for the second one, you clean the side. We have that x minus 10 minus minus over 2 equals 2. So your x equals minus and minus is plus, so it's 10 plus 2 is 12 over 2. Take something together, which is minus, so x equals minus 6. So the possible answer to this question is x equals minus 4 and s equals minus 6. Let's take question 2. This question 2. So let's use the formula which I give, that x equals minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, here's your a, here's your b, here's your c. So say that your a equals 3, your b equals 1, your c equals minus 2, because it's a negative sign here. So put this value into the formula. We'll say that x equals minus 1 plus minus the square root. Your b square is 1 square minus 4 times your a, which is 3, times your c, which is minus 2 over 2 times your a, which is 3. So if we solve further, we'll say that x equals minus 1 plus minus square root. 1 square is 1 minus 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times minus 2 will give us minus 24, which is minus 24. Put your bracket over 2 times 3 is 6. So x equals minus 1 plus minus. Minus, open the bracket, we'll say that it will be 1 plus 24 over 6. So x will now be equals to minus 1 plus minus square root. 1 plus 24 is 25 over 6. So if we solve for that, x equals minus 1 plus minus, oh, we just break it down here, plus minus square root of 25 is 5 over 6. So we say that our possible answer to this question 2 will be x equals minus 1 minus 5 over 6, or x equals minus 1 plus 5 over 6. So let's solve for the first value, which is x equals minus 1 minus 5 and over 6. So you say that x equals minus 1 minus 5 over 6. Minus times minus is plus. So 1 plus 5 is 6. So x equals 6. Take this out again, which is minus 5. So minus divided by 6. So x equals minus 1 for the first one. So for the second one, x equals minus 1 plus 5 over 6. Minus times plus is minus. So 5 minus 1 or 1 minus 5 will give us 4. The thing that will begin, which is plus divided by 6. So x will be equals to, if we break it down, 2 into 4 is 2, 2 into 6 is 3. So x equals plus 2 all over 3. So the possible to this question is s equals plus 2 all over 3 and s equals minus 1. Let's take question 3, which is the last question on this series. This question 3. So we want to use something into this formula. Hereby here is a, here is b, here is c. So our value for a is 2, b is equals 3, and c is equals to 1. See, such a question, when you don't have negative sign, it's very easy to get the answer. But if you have negative sign, let me say b equals minus 3, be careful when solving them so you will not make mistake. So we can say that the formula is s equals minus b plus minus square b equals to square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So put the value into the formula. So x equals minus b, your b is 3, plus minus your square root, your b square is 3 square minus 4 times your a is 2 and your c is 1 all over 2 times your a is 2 is 2, so it will be 2 times 2. So for that, x equals minus 3 plus minus square root. 3 square is 3 times 3, which is 9, minus 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 1 is 8, all over 2 times 2 is 4. So we can say that by solving for that, x equals minus 3 plus minus square root 9 minus 8 is 1, so 1 square root all over 4. So x equals minus 3 plus minus the square root of 1 is 1 all over 4. So possible answer can be that x equals minus 3 plus 1 all over 4, or x equals minus 3 minus 1 all over 4. So let's solve this, clean this side and solve further. For the first one, x equals minus 3 plus 1 all over 4. So x equals minus times plus minus. So 3 minus 1 is 2 all over 4. Take the side of the bigger one, which is minus here, to minus. So break it down. 2 here 1, 2 to 4 is 2. So x equals minus 1 all over 2 for the first one. So let's talk for the second one. So we clean this side. For the first one, x equals minus 3 minus 1 all over 4. So x equals minus and minus is plus. So 3 plus 1 is 4 over the 4. Then don't forget, take the sign of bigger number, which is minus 3. Take my put minus here. 4 here 1, 4 here 1. So x equals minus 1. Possible to this question is that x equals minus 1 over 2 and x equals minus 1. So if you are new on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share this video to your friends.
Hey there, subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.